This Pepper Duck 2 with a Columbia shirt. Not made for the winter time. Will not keep you warm any at all. It is very, very thin. I do not know what it's made out of, but you can look them up online. They're $50. eBay, Gander Mountain. I love this shirt. I mean, the sun will not come through it. It does not get you hotter. Like I said, it's got thousands of these little circle things in it. It is made by Columbia. It's real flimsy. Soaks the sweat right up, turns it cold. Don't know how it does it. I just can't say enough good things about it, except for the dirt. It will pick up dirt quicker than your floor will. Now that it will do. Stains, dirt, dust, cover it quickly. Rubber duck out.